Aldo Guajardo here today with Mobile Mailbox on the Silvercrest Opportunity Fund and Studio Captions in Advertising. I'm here today with Kim. If you could just please introduce yourself for the viewers that don't know you.
I'm Kim Brown. I'm with First Shield Financial. We are in Jacksonville, North Carolina. We are a mortgage note investment firm, and so this is the space where we're all trying to help other people understand how great this is to invest in mortgage notes.
Yeah. Absolutely, here at the Note Expo.
The Note Expo 2024. Right?
Eddie speaks.
Yeah.
Kim, we've met at a few conferences
my gosh,
and such, all around note investing, and also it's cool to see the development of y'all and what you have to offer out in the market, starting a fund behind mortgage note investing. Maybe you could just touch lightly on why you chose that strategy to offer out in the market.
Thank you. Sure. Yeah, we are Covenant Fund 1 with First Shield Financial. We wanted to create a opportunity for our investors to be able to enter in the space. We have 4 different tiers that as an investor you can join the fund. It's a niche type of fund. It's non-performing notes, but the thing about that, it's a very safe, it's collateralized, high yields, asset-backed, you know all about this, right?
100%.
Yeah, but it's an opportunity for investors to be able to safely invest in mortgage notes, be in the space without getting there, having to do the work, if you will.
So with a qualified operator, an individual that's ultimately going to help provide a passive, stable return in non-performing notes. Yes. The non-performing provides a higher rate of return, but you have to know how to execute.
Right. And we are for accredited investors, right? So this is an opportunity to know that we are aligned with what is with the SEC. And
absolutely.
I want to make sure that everybody understands with the SEC that we are in alignment with our first note for our accredited investors. It's an exciting time because as I'm hearing about how people want to get in this space, how can we get there without having to do all the work? Because there's a lot of due diligence that's involved, right? But that's the success, that's the turning point for the success of the investment.
100%. Yeah, it could be daunting to some, wanting to get into an industry where they don't have those due diligence check boxes. What better way to gain those than attending these conferences and getting those education points in order to execute properly, or you find a qualified team to be able to execute with them within their fund. It's great to see, the different areas that an investor can choose, whether investing in a whole note or in a fund of a qualified operator. We've met, Kim, on multiple real estate conferences, note conferences. Diversified Mortgage Expo was one I think we met a few years ago
absolutely.
With Jerry Sanders, business associate.
Right.
Happy to shout out First Shield Financial and Jerry Sanders.
Yes.
Here today. We built a great relationship over the past maybe 2 years. Maybe you could just touch lightly on what y'all saw as an opportunity within the strategies that we have to offer and the notes being originated on manufactured housing.
Yeah, absolutely. I love the fact that we've been able to foster this relationship because it's not just benefited the company, but it's also benefited our investors, right?
Absolutely.
Because it is an ideal opportunity to invest in qualified notes, in quality assets, right? Everybody is turning now to look at what the alternative asset segment has to offer because, the stock market gets a little nervous. We're not sure when and if when, but with the alternative asset with asset backed and double collateralized and, that type of thing being the support of your investment, and that was what you offer, it serves us all very well, and it's done very well for us. And of course, our relationship continues to grow in that realm, and looking forward to continue to expand in that area with the fund, because I think that a lot of people that we've come in contact with and have been able to introduce them to the asset that you offer has been very exciting for them, and they've grown comfortable.
So
in
exciting,
investing.
so that you guys are doing a conference.
Oh my gosh!
A little early, maybe to announce.
But let's save the date. What's
the day that people can be saving for?
We are looking at Saturday, an all-day summit of April 5th. And
2025
in Florida.
Market,
Ponte Vedra.
Ponte Vedra.
Yeah, so that's what we're looking at. So I thank you for that.
Absolutely.
Because We would like everyone to come and hear more, what we have to offer, be educated, be comfortable, get to know us even, and we get to know you. But, that's more important than anything else, right?
The most important part of real estate investing and note investing is finding people that you can know, like, and trust within the business. And what better way to do that than attend conferences and associations and build meaningful and lasting relationships that are mutually beneficial at the end of the day.
It's a wonderful setting because you get to be able to talk and introduce yourself and speak one-on-one,
100%.
Be able to ask the questions that you need to ask while being educated, right? While being informed. I love these type of events.
Absolutely. Well, hey, Kim, happy to have you here today.
Thank you so much.
We're looking to find where and what you have to offer out in the market.
Thank you.
Where would they do that?
Well, of course, our website is firstshowfinancial.com, and you'll find our landing page there as well for the fund, right? We also have a YouTube podcast, the Kim Jerry Podcast. If you would do, the handle is what? At Incredible Returns, _returns. Or if you search First Shield Financial. So there's lots of episodes out there to be informed and be educated on for mortgage notes, especially non-performing notes. And along with more about our fund and the relationship with it is, right?
So more collaboration to come.
Oh my gosh. It's so much, but yet it's fun, it's intriguing, and it's an opportunity for the investors to really feel comfortable about moving into the realm of mortgage note investing.
Absolutely. That's all the heart of mobile mailbox money at Silvercrest Opportunity Fund at Note Expo 2024. Kim, thanks for having me here today.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Bam, bam, bam.